What's up, guys? Welcome to Man About Cake. I'm your host, Joshua John Russell. The royal wedding is upon us, and sadly, I was not asked to make the cake.
What?
I know, but I'm gonna make one anyways. So today we're gonna build a 7-tier American-style fruit cake filled with almond filling, finished with royal icing piping and tons of sugar flowers. So let us commence! We're gonna start by making our almond filling for the inside of the cake. The reason why I'm doing almond filling is because traditionally, English style cakes are enrobed in almond paste and then covered in fondant. No, I'm just gonna cover it in fondant. So the almond's gonna go on the inside. So we're gonna start with the butter.
I was pretty excited for this episode.
You are?
I finally get to break out my Michael Caine impression.
Oh God, here we go. Get ready, guys.
I'm Michael Caine.
That's pretty good.
Michael Caine. Michael Caine.
Can you say anything else or is
Michael
that...
Caine.
Michael Caine. I'm gonna hit it with a torch just to get it started. Let's give that guy a scrape. Stop.
Scrape, scrape, scrape.
Scrape, scrape, scrape.
Scrape. Scrape your
Mixer.
All right, now we're gonna add our almond paste. So there's a couple different kinds of almond paste you can get. This one is an almond paste filling. So it's a little bit softer, or you can use almond paste, which is a little thicker. I love almond. Do you guys like almond?
Yeah, I like almonds. I don't think they smell particularly good.
Are you gonna top it with almonds?
Oh no crunchy inside. Wouldn't want a royal member of the family to chip a tooth.
Wait a minute. Are you saying royal wedding cake?
Yeah.
I thought we were doing a rural wedding cake.
No, that's gonna be your wedding.
Throw some of that almond paste in my cake, will you?
All right, so now we're gonna run this through a sieve so it's a bit smoother, a little at a time. There's just some really big bits of almond in here.
So Joshua, you got us all pumped up for this.
Yes,
And you're throwing this party and we're all going.
yes.
Okay, do you want us to bring something? I was planning on bringing something.
Tell me what you're planning on bringing and I'll tell you if I want you to bring it or not.
I was gonna bring some pizzas.
No, it has to be like, no. You need to bring like fish and chips or little tea sandwiches.
I'm gonna have to change what I was gonna bring.
What were you gonna bring?
Authentic Mexican food.
No.
Authentic Mexican food, Brandon?
Taco salad.
You could bring like a beautiful fruit salad if you want.
I don't want to eat tea sandwiches and fruit salad.
I was thinking about bringing some chicken wings.
No chicken wings.
Chicken wings, it's a
No.
party.
Snickers.
Perfect. Now it's time to add our vanilla and our powdered sugar. Confectioner sugar.
Oh, I call it English sugar. Dainty sugar. Sugar of Kensington.
You're not allowed to name the sugar. Sorry, it already has a name. Beautiful. Let me give it a scrape. It's looking delish. That's good stuff. That looks awesome. So I'm gonna break down 3 10-inch American-style fruitcakes. So traditionally, English-style fruitcake is really gross.
Yeah.
It just has like all these candied cherry thingies in it, and it's weird, and it lasts for years and years and years. So I Americanized it. The same kind of idea. You know where the recipe is, but it's basically like better dried fruit, like cranberries and blueberries, coconut, and then I soaked them overnight in whiskey. Look at that. Looks way prettier, right? You guys don't even know what English-style fruitcake looks like, do you?
No.
All right, we're gonna fill this with our almond buttercream that we made, but I'm gonna soak it first with a little bit of simple syrup, just to get some extra moisture in it. No boozy, just sugar water. What's that these two?
Who are those people on your shirt?
I have no idea. I think that's maybe the Queen of England, and this is the most interesting guy in the world. They don't have eyes, so I have no idea. I just thought the shirt was funny.
I don't always eat fruitcake with the queen.
But when I do, I eat 3 of them.
We're gonna have to invite a lot of people to our wedding viewing party because this is gonna be a ginormous cake.
Ooh, so I can invite whoever I want?
Yeah.
you remember the rapper Chingy?
Okay, let me see the list before.
My friend Jordan.
Is Jordan nice?
Yeah, he's pretty nice.
Okay.
His sister's boss. Ted's a jerk, but it's sort of like a combo deal.
Oh, these
This is my
are real
list.
people? Okay.
Daryl from Walking Dead.
A zombie? Is he a zombie on The Walking Dead?
No, he's a regular guy.
Can he come in zombie makeup though? Because it's funny.
No, he's a regular guy. That'd be weird.
I'm gonna get this guy in the cooler, then we're gonna cut the sides, crumb coat, final coat.
All right, I just got a couple more.
No. The
My
answer's no.
barber, my barber's wife, her daughter.
One more trip to the cooler. Like a fat baby.
Oh, and there's one more person I wanted to invite. Is that cool? Do you want to know who?
I'm hoping you would bring your wife.
Oh yeah, Rochelle will be there. And then one more,
Okay.
Michael Kite.
I'm gonna cover the cake in this royal purple fondant
I'm going to roll it out in
to an eighth of an inch thickness.
Brandon actually knows how to speak completely proper British.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, have him ask him to say something in a British accent.
Why don't you say, I really love butter?
Oh, really? No, butter.
See? See?
Not proper.
No, he's from a different part than you're familiar with.
I'm from wherever Adele is
You
from.
Now we're gonna make a decoration for the cake. I found this really awesome mold that kind of to me looks royal because it looks like a crown. So first thing we gotta do is roll our paste out. And I'm gonna lay it over and then we'll just push it in. So as you can see, they cut it away for us. But we do have to take out these little pieces. Now we're gonna unmold it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it away from the sides, all the way around, and we're gonna turn it over. This is a great product to use on its own, but for me, that's like a blank canvas. So I made one before, so this one's set up just a bit, and I actually pearl dusted it, but I'm going to glue this one on with some royal icing. All right, now I'm gonna do some piping on top of this. I've got a bag of royal icing with a very small star tip. So I'm just gonna pipe over all these cool little swirly things. Now we're gonna do some freehand piping. I'm gonna show you how to mark this out so we can make it as symmetrical as possible, but we're gonna use the same star tip and then we're gonna switch to a round tip. So we're gonna mark the cake with royal icing, spin it around, and do one on the exact other side. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pipe a scroll, but it's gonna be graduated. So I'm gonna start very, very small, squeeze larger and larger and larger, and then go back up to small. Now we're gonna switch to our round tip. And I'm just gonna go in between and pipe graduated dots. Now we'll pipe dots smaller, 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 smallest. So we're gonna pipe some fleur-de-lis. So the last thing we're gonna do is make a little bitty loop. So now we're gonna let this royal icing dry. I'm gonna bring back my other tier because that royal icing is probably dry by now, and we're gonna paint that gold. We got a little bit of gold dust here that I'm going to hydrate with a little bit of vodka to make a nice paint. So two of the tiers in this cake are gonna be floral separators. So I'm gonna use styrofoam. We're gonna shove a whole bunch of sugar flowers into this. We're gonna actually put some of these flat flowers against it so it has some texture, and then we'll add the flowers to that. Just take a little bit of fondant or gum paste, push down into our mold here. Super easy, and then it pops right out. So I have a bunch of these made. All the flowers are going to be white, so we're gonna do all the background in white as well. And I'm gonna glue these on using royal icing. All right, now that I have Big Ben stacked over here, she really turned out huge. I went a little over ambitious, but it's the royal wedding. So I have my flower farm. Some of these flowers I made, some of them I purchased. You know me, I don't like to make the little bitty ones. And then I have some leaves. So there's no real technique to this. I'm just gonna shove flowers in to where they look nice. For the final touch, I'm gonna pipe a pearl border around the bottom two tiers. Our royal wedding cake is complete, and I think she's super majestic. Don't forget guys, if you wanna throw your own royal wedding watch party, Craftsy has everything you need in the description box below. While you're down there, hit subscribe, and next week, we're making a cake inspired by the House of Versace. Let's eat this guy.
No, wait.
What?
Don't you want all this stuff we're bringing to the party too?
Yes.
Okay, first I'll give you my card.
Your invitation, not your card. Joshua Jr. Sorry, I ran out of room. Okay, first of all, that's unacceptable. Let's see what's in here. Royal wedding. You can't cross stuff out on an invitation. This is the royal wedding, James. JJR's house, May 19th, 8 p.m. Don't bring taco salad, thank you, or chicken wings. Hats provided. K2, please RSVP to what? You gotta leave a phone number.
Oh,
Who's next? Oh my God. It even has a rat tail. It's kind of weirdly beautiful.
English people like fancy hats.
I just play with it all night like this. Are you guys enjoying the party and the cake?
All right, Brandon, now you give his. Brandon's gonna be a real dump show, I'm sure.
Here we go.
Hey dude, these are actually really nice. Brandon's a Renaissance man. Look at this.
What?
Did you really do this?
Oh yeah.
All right, so Brandon wins.
Yes.
And Tommy, you have to wear that hat to the party. Aww. What? Okay, you made it, come on. All right, let's eat. I feel like royalty, like a royal chicken.
Michael Caine.
You know what a cookie's called? A biscuit. Who knew?
A lot of people knew. Like that whole country knows. Table is crazy. This is a good fruitcake. Not like one of those you pass back and forth every year at Christmas. Didn't you give me this fruitcake last? Oh no, it's a new one. No. Brand new recipe.
Shows up in the mail in like a shoebox.
Let the shenanigans commence.
What's a funny word?
Do it! Let us commence.
Oh, that was an awful bit of shouting.